So y'all know I'm not new to this. I'm not new to this.
I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG's so proud of me that he choked.
Good morning, y'all. We about to get this workout in. I'm gonna explain to y'all what's been going on with me. I've basically been becoming that it girl, re-becoming that it girl. So I already have my hot girl summer salad sitting out so it can kind of get warm. It's been in the refrigerator. I wanted to kind of, you know, become room temperature. This is what I have left of the other hot girl summer salad. So y'all been seeing this salad trend on TikTok, yes. I love cucumber salad any damn way. I make a mean cucumber salad, but the ingredients that they have in this is a little different. You know, the egg and stuff. It's giving you like a source of protein. So I like the taste of it. Also sunflower seeds. I'm not new to this at all. Okay, so we need to see what outfits we're gonna wear for a workout. I already had two of them kind of laid out. I bought this from a black boutique off of Facebook. So let's go to the bathroom and get my face washed. So like I said, y'all know I've been in and out of this health kick my whole life. Like not being active anymore, like no longer being active. So never have to force myself to eat healthy food. It's just healthy food keeps you hungry. Like it burns quick. I love going on my plant-based diet. Y'all know that's one of my favorites. I do that on and off when I'm not eating crazy, because y'all, I am from Louisiana. Come on, like seriously. Y'all already know what that means. Like I eat pretty much everything. So there are times where I will get on a strict diet, and then there are times where I fall off of my diet.
So y'all, I recently went on a 2-week detox / fast diet, eating only cabbage soup, okay? And I lost a total of 8 pounds in 1 week. Do you hear me? I am not new to the cabbage soup diet, but this is my first time fully sticking to it, and these are the results.
Got my waist trainer. Interested in it? My link will be in the description. Y'all want to get one of these. This is the very first thing that I take in my body. Water is my thing. Like it's my go-to drink. I've been like that since I was a child. Oh my God, y'all, the turtle is back. Oh my God. Y'all, my dad, where'd he go? See him moving right there? That's the turtle. That's Mr. Turtle. I don't know if it's the same turtle or not, honestly. But look at him. Okay, so usually, well, for now, because y'all know I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, I started out walking a mile, walk / jog, maybe a little sprint every now and then. I started out with a mile, and then it went up to a mile and some change. 2 miles. I started doing 2 miles. If I don't do anything over 2 miles, 2 miles is gonna be my minimum. Every day, I'll take maybe a 2 rest day, a rest for 2 days. Last week, I had did 4 miles one day, and I was super proud of myself. I was so proud of myself. I also have been focusing hard on my stomach and my butt.
Shake it, let's just make it, yeah. Oh.
Okay, so, all right, so I've started my walk. Basically what I do is take in nature. I take in nature, take some deep breaths while I'm walking, and I turn on a playlist of some sort to, you know, keep my workout, makes my workout, you know, more consistent. I just finished the other portion of my cucumber salad. So I'm about to do my booty exercises. This is the one I do the most. Baby, there's nothing Y'all, nothing tops a shower or a bath after workout. So my parents are here. They are about to do some yard work over here, and they're about to finish up on my storage building. Oh, look at this storage building. My dad is working hard on my storage building. As y'all can see, we're gonna have to take a look inside whenever he gets to a stopping point. It's looking good. Good morning, everyone. Y'all, I'm about to put me some chicken wings in here. This is how they look. You bake them when they're frozen. All of that seasoning goes through. I put a little water at the bottom of the pan or some chicken broth. But to keep the salt down, I use water. I also have this little rack here that my mom got with a whole bunch of oils on it. I said I was gonna start using and trying. This one is chili infused. It sounds really, really good. I have basil infused oil. I don't know, I might use one of these. Put it at the bottom of the pan like so. And it's just to make sure the chicken doesn't stick, but we also gonna have some flavor going on, so. Just gotta make sure it's at the bottom of the pan evenly. Yeah. I'm gonna start cooking with my oils. I normally just use avocado and olive oil or a little bit of grapeseed oil. So I mostly do those. Every now and then I'll do like a drum. But I mostly like the flats. I think I'm gonna do 10 of these. That's why some water needs to go at the bottom of the pan, because I do a lot of garlic powder. I'll just go through. And turn this over. Just make sure there's enough Tony's on here. My oven is on 450. I'm gonna put a little bit of crawfish seasoning on here, just a tad bit. Cause y'all do too much, it'll be spicy. So it's just a little bit. And I'll just put some water down here. Not too much. And the water makes a good broth, y'all. Sometimes I'll put the broth on top of the mashed potatoes, but yeah, the broth is pretty good. Put it in here. There we go. So I'm gonna set a timer and off to my office I go. You guys get to watch me make some content for my clients, one of my clients.
Woo, the office is in a mess per usual. Let's open up some blinds. We are going to make content. Y'all, I'm planning on getting a TV in my room here. Because I don't know, I feel like I need a TV in every part of my house. You know, there are people like that, and I used to judge people who had TVs in every part of the house. But I do want one on my wall here in my office. So if I want to project my work up on the TV to you know, edit from the big screen, I can do that. Or if I want to watch Netflix in here while I'm working, I could do that. If I want to listen to some podcasts, seminars, whatever on my TV while I'm in here, I could do that. One of my clients, they are a clinic, Louisiana clinic, and pretty much it's simple. I use Canva. You guys are not new to Canva. If you are, then Canva is pretty much a platform where you can create just about any type of design.
How lot it is, how lot of that. I know I made a promise, but I take it back. On the corner with your niggas, but I don't fuck with your niggas. You don't fuck with my bitches, I should've listened to my bitches. I ain't got no time to be wasting love. The pain I've been through, oh, is way too much. I know that I'm more than enough. I'm through catching feelings and I know you ain't gon' feel me.
And this is how it turned out. So now I'm about to go and make some stories. Ooh, our wings are done. I also need to get my broccoli out of here. Doing instant mashed potatoes. I ain't gonna do that many potatoes. Need that. And there go our little mashed potatoes. Chicken wings. Y'all, I just had some real good passion fruit drink. It's a drink I usually drink when I used to live in Hawaii. I used to drink this faithfully. Do you hear me? Faithfully. It's actually good for you. It's a source of vitamin C. But the canned drink of it, the canned version of it, has like a lot of sugar. Also, when I went to the Virgin Islands, I went to see my grandmother there, and she made me some homemade passion fruit juice. And it was like refreshing. It was so good. And y'all, they made me want to move there. Like,
Over it, I'm over it. I'm through catching feelings and I know you ain't gon' feel me, but I'm over it.